Hi dolls, and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be doing a what's in my bag video. This was a requested video. Somebody had asked me to do a bag video, so I reached out to them and they had asked them if they wanted me to do like an unbagging or a collection or just a what's in my bag, and she said a what's in my bag. So I know that it's been a while, but with everything that's going on that you guys are aware of, it's just taking me a little while to get these put out. I did do a makeup collection / storage, and that will be linked down below if you guys want to check that out. But yeah, so without any further ado, let's just get into this video. So I have the Neverfull MM. I don't remember what this stuff is called here, but I will link the bag, like the design. I will link the bag down below. So you guys can check it out if you want. I love Louis Vuitton. I know that I feel like this is like, when you watch these videos, this is a lot of the times what people do. This is just my current bag that I'm carrying right now. I carry anywhere from a larger bag like this to a little crossbody bag, just depending on my mode when I do pick my bags out. I generally wear them for about a week and a half, maybe 2 weeks tops. So this bag right here is going on 2 weeks, and I will actually be changing her today or tomorrow. So I'm going to be, just going down there. I probably will be doing a smaller bag. So if you guys want to see what's in what I put in a smaller bag when I'm carrying it versus my larger bag, because it does change the amount of stuff that I'm able to carry, just leave a comment below or like this video and I can make that happen. So yeah, let's just get into what's in my bag. I know that these are some of my favorite, I'm pouring something right here guys to sit my bag on. These are one of my favorite kind of videos to watch. But yeah, so let's just, like I said, get into it and see what I have going on in here. So first I have these bags, which I have a few of them. Where I live in California, they do not give you plastic bags for free anymore. You can either pay for them or bring your own, and I think that just with plastic being everywhere, I think that it's just a lot easier for me to carry these. I don't remember where I got this one, but I do get these at IKEA. So yeah, and I love them. They hold so much, and I use them for just about everywhere I go shopping. Next, I have a little bag here. I got this bag at TJ Maxx. There was medicine, like a little medicine container in it. I just took that out, and what I do is I keep some cough drops and headache medicine for like Excedrin and things like that for me and my children. Ones that can take this, just so we have it out, because sometimes we're out and you need it. Next I have is a receipt from Walmart. I got a shower curtain and my kids some new toothbrushes. So I did that. Hairbrushes. I use this one when my hair is straight and this one when my hair is curly, and it works really well on my daughter's hair too. So when it's up and it's messy, we just can kind of fix it. I have a bag that I keep my vitamin products in. I like to sometimes, if I'm out with my family, I just take this with me if I go to the bathroom instead of lugging my purse with me. I just found that it makes it easier sometimes to do so. Next is another receipt, and this one is for wipes. Pledge wipes for my bathroom mirror. I like to keep them underneath, so when I'm cleaning, I have all my bathroom products together for cleaning in a container, and that way I can just clean my bathroom without having to go back and forth underneath my kitchen sink where my other cleaning products are. Next, I just have a piece of mail, which that was put in there yesterday. I have another receipt, and this is just bathroom stuff as well. From TJ Maxx. I finished decorating my bathroom finally, pretty much the way I want it. I'm sure I'll add a little thing here and there as time goes on, but right now it's unpacked and I think it looks great. Next I have my Versace sunglasses in the case. I just got these not too long ago. I know that they're really simple and plain and probably a lot of money to pay for a pair of sunglasses that look like this. But I love Versace, I love their lenses, I love the quality, and because sun is one of my triggers for headaches, I do splurge on my sunglasses. Next I have my Michael Kors makeup bag. In here I have a Nivea lotion, which I just replaced this one in here, so this one's brand new, the Nivea Soft. I love this stuff. I can't even remember how long it's been since I've been using this. I love it so much. I have a Burt's Bees all-weather chapstick. This is new. I just picked this up yesterday, I think it was. But I love Burt's Bees. Hair ties. Actually, you know what, guys? Let me take this stuff out because it's gonna get a little more difficult to do. Floss. With kids, and when you go out and you eat, sometimes floss is just something you need to help your teeth. I was out with my son one day, and he had went out to eat, and he asked me if I had any. He had something stuck in his teeth, so I went ahead and bought some. I have two of the Too Faced melted chocolate. One in the dark brown. The brown. This one in here is chocolate honey, and the other one's chocolate milkshake. I love these guys. It's one of my favorite formulas for a liquid lipstick. They're not tight on your lips. They're not uncomfortable. They're not drying for me. They're great to have. A mirror. I also have another Burt's Bees, and this is in Vanilla Bean. This one I have been using. I actually have two of these guys. I keep one next to my bed and one in my purse. I use this at night. I really love Burt's Bees. They're more of the natural. Well, this says it's 100% natural. I love that stuff about it, and I feel like it works really good. So let's see. Next, I have my daughters. We have the Baby Lips by Maybelline, and then she has the Slim Raspberry Lime Lip Smuckers. She sees that I do makeup and I wear my makeup, and she always asks me for makeup. So I got her believing that little clear lip glosses and chapstick stuff like this, like lip smuckers and things, are considered makeup, and she's completely content. So I'm very happy about that. I also have a Vaseline's Lip Therapy and Cocoa Butter. One of my sons love to use that, so I like to have that on hand for him as well. I also have a cuticle massage cream. Excuse me. When I moisturize, I find myself remembering to moisturize my hands and my arms the most when I'm out driving. So I like to have something like this in my bag as well with my lotion. So when I'm using my lotion and stuff, I can put that on and kind of help my cuticles because they've been really bad lately. I also have some nail clippers and tweezers. That's necessary. And then on the side here, right in here, I have some sunglass cleaner. And other than the stuff that I just put back in there, that is empty. So yeah, so I just keep numerous things in there between me and my kids. And I just dropped something. I'll pick it up after. Okay, so next I have another one of those little things from TJ Maxx, and I just keep my headphones in there. I like to have them raveled up nice and neatly put away, so it just makes it easier for me to find them when I need them. I have my wallet. This one does not match my bag, but it does match my Speedy 35 that I have. When I went to go buy them, they only had this one in this size, and I need more space for my cards. I don't have it full with my cards, but the other ones were too small. And this is in the Sarah. I just have my driver's license and stuff like that in there. And then I have some receipts. a little bit of cash, and like my kids, our insurance cards and whatnot. I have just random receipts from places I've gone lately, from Ross and things like that. I haven't bought makeup in the last couple days because I have been buying a lot of stuff for my house, for my bathroom, getting my bathroom ready. But yeah, this holds quite a few cards. I will link the wallet below. I'm not going to go through here and show you guys all my cards and stuff, just personal security and whatnot. And then, let's see, another receipt for the post office because I went and had to send something out. I have Tic Tacs in fresh mint, my favorite kind of Tic Tacs, some tissues, and then looks like some garbage. I must have thrown that in there yesterday. And so in here I do have the lighter pink. I don't know if you guys can see in there in the bottom. I don't have anything in this container, but I'll show you guys anyways. This color right here, if you guys are getting this bag or I recommend not getting the light pink. It shows every little thing in there. I thought it was so cute and adorable, but then any little thing it shows in the bottom. So that is my recommendation. And then here I just got an extra set of keys and some papers and things like that that are kind of important to hold on to. But and then my keys to my car are sitting out on my TV stand where I leave them when I first walk in the morning from walking my children to school, because we are so close that I do not have to drive, which is so nice. But yeah, so that is what I have in my bag. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. And if you're not already subscribed, please do. And I have nothing else to say, but I love you guys, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.